Hello my friends, so welcome to my channel, Kungfu and Arts. So I will just do a little bit movement for warming up and I will start directly. Okay? Kick, 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 kick with heel, kick. Okay, so last time we make this movement, the spinning fist. And then we chop with palm. And then we kick. I go forward, then we kick like this, and we stop here. So today I will show you some new movement. So look carefully. I block the left side with my left fist and punch right fist to left. And then return to this and block right side with right fist and punch left fist. And then I will make a circle with the right fist, put it to the waist and kick left, low kick my left leg. Okay, I'll show you again. Okay. We stop here. And block and punch, kick. And the next movement is difficult. So I will rotate, I will turn this way, turn 270 degrees, and punch to the direction of the wall. So, kick, and I will use the hip hop here, this part. I will rotate, I will turn. Okay, I'll show you again. So I'll repeat again. And then same movement. I block with the right hand and punch left hand. Low kick. And back again, 270 degrees. And then again repeat. Again kick, low kick. And again, so this time I will turn 360 degrees. And after 10, still this direction. Okay, we will stop here. So I repeat again. I make this direction. So from here, I will spinning back, spinning back, again spin back, and chop left and right. So now I will kick, kick. And then I will block punch, and then I put this down, kick. I will turn 270 degrees, punch, and again, low kick. So again, 270 degrees, and then repeat this, and I will kick, I will turn 360 degrees. So it's not easy, huh? Okay. So I repeat again. Look at me carefully. So now the hard thing will come. Okay, so I will make a movement from start to the end. I just move slowly. Okay.